Okay, in the previous video, we showed you how to create bundles using images, basically dragging images one by one to create bundles one by one. However, we do have a feature, create bundles from a CSV, that allows you to bulk create bundles using a spreadsheet. So first we're going to open up this modal and download a CSV template. Perfect. And once you open it in your favorite spreadsheet editor, it will look like this. From here, what we're going to do is copy and paste image links into this CSV or this spreadsheet. So for example, one bundle, I needed to have this product, and this product. I'm going to select the ones that I need, and I'm going to go ahead and say copy file names. We're going to bulk copy these file names. And when we come up here, we're going to go ahead and paste. And you can see we have a product 12, 9, and 1, just like we selected in that order. Next, we're going to define the quantity. How many times do we want this to appear? We're going to hit, this one is going to be once, this one will be once, and the last one is going to be 3 times. Okay, inner spacing means spacing between each iteration of the same product. Between these 3, I want them overlapping each other, so minus 15 is fine. And then group space, meaning between each sets of products, how much spacing do we need? This is fine as well. So all of this is going to make up bundle 1. Oops, let's rename this to be bundle 1. Now, if I want to make more bundles, I can obviously add as many as I want. So here I'm going to add 4 products into bundle 2. Same thing, we'll go back up here. We're going to add this product, and a couple of these smaller ones. Okay, so that's 4 products. For selected, we're going to again copy file names, go to our spreadsheet, and paste the names. Perfect. So each one of these is going to appear once, except for the last one, which I want 2 of. And again, inner spacing, we can copy it from the previous one. And our group spacing, same thing. Okay. So, and you can continue doing this for as many bundles as you need. But once you have your products in their bundles on the spreadsheet, you can go up here and hit export to CSV file. Okay, once you've exported it as a CSV, you can come up here and hit add product bundle from CSV. Oh, this is an image only folder, so we cannot actually add bundles into this folder. We're going to go back to the root folder. Here we're going to add a product bundle from CSV. Okay, now here we're going to go ahead and upload our CSV that we just exported. And as you can see, we have bundle 1, which is the products that we specified. Down here we have bundle 2, which is again the products as we specified. You can adjust the visuals here if you need to. For example, I want more overlap between these last products, so I'm going to select them and hit inner space of minus 45. Make that 145. Perfect. Then we'll do the same thing for bundle 2. These 2 I want overlapping a little more. I'm going to select the last product and hit 145. Great. So this is fine for me. I'm going to go ahead and save these bundles. And there we go. We've just made 2 bundles pretty much instantly using a CSV file. If you have any feedback, don't hesitate to reach out with any commentary or questions.